Understanding Ledger Wallets, a comprehensive guide. In the world of cryptocurrency, security is paramount. Ledger, a pioneering company in the cryptocurrency wallet space, is known for its reliable physical wallets that resemble USB drives. With a commitment to user security and sophisticated technology, Ledger offers several options for cryptocurrency storage, often referred to as cold wallets due to their offline capabilities. This article dives deep into what Ledger wallets are, how they function, the types of wallets offered, and their security features. What is a Ledger wallet? Founded in France and with operations in San Francisco, Ledger was established by a group of 8 experts specializing in embedded security, cryptocurrencies, and entrepreneurship. The company's primary goal is to develop secure solutions tailored for blockchain applications. Ledger wallets are particularly distinguished by their ability to securely store users' private keys offline, away from the prying eyes of hackers. Key features of Ledger wallets. Physical storage. Ledger wallets, unlike software wallets, physically store private keys in a secure hardware device. Multi-currency support. Users can manage multiple cryptocurrencies, over 5,500 different tokens, across all Ledger devices. Cold storage. The wallets operate in an air-gapped mode, isolating them from direct internet access to prevent online attacks. Types of cryptocurrency wallets. To appreciate the technology behind Ledger wallets, it's essential to understand the different wallet types and their classifications. 1. Types of wallets. Hardware wallets, physical devices that securely store private keys offline. Software wallets, applications on computers or mobile devices, which can be prone to hacking. Paper wallets, private keys printed on paper, but they can be damaged or lost. 2. Further classifications. Wallets can also be categorized into hot wallets. These are connected to the internet and are more susceptible to hacks. They are typically software-based and used for everyday transactions. Cold wallets, offline storage solutions that provide enhanced security. Ledger wallets fall into this category. Custodial wallets, third-party entities hold users' keys. Non-custodial wallets, users retain complete control over their keys. How Ledger wallets operate. Ledger wallets are specifically designed to function as cold, non-custodial solutions. Here's how they work. 1. Secure chip technology. Ledger wallets utilize a secure element, which is a secure chip designed to protect sensitive data from being accessed by unauthorized users. 2. Private key management. Users' private keys are stored offline on the device. During transactions, the keys are transferred securely to the wallet software, ensuring that they never leave the device. 3. Backup and recovery. A unique 24-word recovery phrase is generated for every device, enabling users to recover their cryptocurrencies if the device is lost or stolen. This backup can also be secured physically, such as etching it in steel with a product like Billfodl. The Ledger family of wallet products. Ledger offers a variety of hardware wallets, each designed to cater to different user preferences and needs. 1. Ledger Nano S Plus. Introduction. A refined version of the original Nano S, known for enhanced capabilities. Features. Supports over 5,500 digital assets and functions across Mac, Windows, and Android devices. Storage capacity. Can hold up to 100 applications for various cryptocurrencies. Price. Approximately $79 USD. 2. Ledger Nano X. Introduction. Released in 2019, it incorporates Bluetooth functionality. Features. Allows easy connectivity with mobile devices and supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Storage capacity. Similar to Nano S Plus, it can manage over 5,500 tokens. Price. Retails for about $149 USD. 3. Ledger Stacks. Introduction. A sophisticated, portable hardware wallet designed for ease of use. Features. features a 3.7-inch curved e-ink touchscreen, customizable lock screens, and wireless charging. Price: sells for around $279 USD. How safe are Ledger wallets? Ledger places a strong emphasis on security. The company asserts that none of its devices have been hacked, attributing this success to innovative technology, extensive testing, and proactive user education. Each wallet combines cutting-edge security features, mitigating the risk of unauthorized access effectively. The importance of private keys. Private keys are essential to cryptocurrency transactions, acting like passwords that prove ownership. Users must generate and store them securely to prevent unauthorized access. Ledger's hardware wallets help safeguard private keys from various threats, ensuring they remain protected. Hot wallets versus cold wallets, a closer look. Understanding the difference between hot and cold wallets is crucial for secure cryptocurrency management. Hot wallets, convenient for transactions but susceptible to internet threats. Cold wallets, best for long-term storage and highly secure, as they are not connected to the internet. The bottom line. Choosing the right wallet is essential for anyone involved in cryptocurrency. When it comes to cold storage, Ledger stands out as a leading provider, offering a range of hardware wallets designed to ensure the security of private keys. With their proven track record, user-friendly interfaces, and robust security measures, Ledger wallets remain a top choice for both beginner and experienced crypto enthusiasts seeking peace of mind in managing their digital assets. Ledger's commitment to innovation and security makes them a reputable option in an often volatile and insecure cryptocurrency realm. By investing in a Ledger wallet, users can take significant steps toward enhancing the security of their cryptocurrency holdings.